Licensure Examination for teachers. Subject: Social Sciences. General Education, for both elementary and secondary. Topic: Information and Communication Technology. Question number 1. Which component of the computer is often referred to as the brain and is responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations? A. Random Access Memory, RAM. B. Central Processing Unit, CPU. C. Hard Disk Drive, HDD. D. Graphics Processing Unit, GPU. Correct answer: B. Central Processing Unit, CPU. Why B is correct? The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is the main processor. It fetches instructions from memory, decodes them, and executes them, performing all arithmetic, logical, and control operations, the definition of the computer's brain. Why the wrong answers are wrong? A. RAM, volatile memory used for temporarily holding data and instructions currently being used. It's the workspace, not the brain. C. HDD, used for permanent storage of data and files. D. GPU, specialized processor designed to accelerate graphics rendering, not general-purpose computation. Edge knowledge. Think core function. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The word processing is the key indicator of the component responsible for execution and calculation, making it the brain. Question number 2. The software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs, e.g., Windows, Mac OS, Android, is called the A. Application software. B. Programming language. C. Utility software. D. Operating system, OS. Correct answer: D. Operating system, OS. Why D is correct? The operating system, OS, is the master control program. It's the essential intermediary between the user, applications and the hardware, handling memory management, process scheduling, and file systems. Why the wrong answers are wrong? A. Application software. Programs designed to perform specific tasks for the user, e.g., MS Word, games. B. Programming language. A formal language used to write instructions for the computer, e.g., Python, Java. C. Utility software. Programs designed to help manage and tune the computer hardware and OS, e.g., antivirus, disk defragmenter. Edge knowledge. Think director. The OS operates the entire system. Without it, the application software cannot run, and the hardware cannot be utilized effectively. It's the only software essential for the computer's basic function. Question number 3. Which networking device is used to connect two or more different networks, or segments, that use different communication protocols and is crucial for connecting local area networks, LANs, to the Internet? A. Switch. B. Hub. C. Router. D. Repeater. Correct answer: C. Router. Why C is correct? A router acts as a traffic director. It connects two or more dissimilar networks, like your home LAN and the wider Internet, and determines the best path for data packets to travel across these different networks, using the IP address. Why the wrong answers are wrong? A. Switch. Connects devices within a single LAN. B. Hub. A basic device that broadcasts data to all devices on a network segment, obsolete. D. Repeater. Used to regenerate a signal over a long distance to extend network range. Edge knowledge. Think navigator, path. Routers determine the best route for data between different networks, inter-network communication. This function is essential for accessing the global Internet. Question number 4. If a single computer file is 2 megabytes, MB, in size, how many such files can be stored on a 4 gigabyte, GB, flash drive? Note: 1 gigabyte equals 1024 megabytes. A. 2000 files. B. 4096 files. C. 512 files. D. 2048 files. Correct answer: D. 2048 files. Why D is correct? First, convert the capacity to the same unit, MB. 4 gigabytes equals 4 times 1024 megabytes equals 4096 megabytes. Next, divide the total capacity by the file size. Number of files equals total capacity over file size equals 4096 megabytes over 2 megabytes equals 2048 files. Why the wrong answers are wrong. A 2000 files uses the approximation 1 gigabyte approximately 1000 megabytes. B. 4096 files. Result of using 1 megabyte file size, 4096 over 1. C. 512 files. Result of dividing 1024 over 2. Edge knowledge. The key is the exact conversion factor. While 1000 is common in non-technical contexts, standard ICT, computer science uses 2 raised to 10 equals 1024 for binary prefixes. 4 gigabytes is exactly 4 times 1024, which must be the starting point. Question number 5. The practice of using a computer or network to assume the identity of another person, often for illegal gain or to compromise their reputation, is known as A. Hacking, B. Phishing, C. Spoofing, D. Identity theft. Correct answer, D. Identity theft. Why D is correct? Identity theft is the core term for the crime of illegally using someone else's personal data, like names, passwords, credit cards, to impersonate them, which is precisely the situation described. Why the wrong answers are wrong. A. Hacking. Broad term for gaining unauthorized access to a system. B. Phishing. A method, usually via email, used to trick people into giving away their information, which enables identity theft. C. Spoofing. A technique, like IP or email spoofing, used to disguise one communication as originating from another source, a technical step but not the crime itself. Edge knowledge. The question asks for the act of assuming identity for illegal gain. This is the definition of the broader crime of identity theft. Phishing and spoofing are just tools used in the commission of this crime. Question number 6. In an online learning environment, which tool is best suited for providing students with a collaborative, real-time, text-based discussion space where ideas can be quickly exchanged and brainstormed? A. Discussion forum, asynchronous. B. Wiki, asynchronous. C. Chat room, instant messaging, synchronous. D. Learning management system, LMS. Correct answer, C. Chat room, instant messaging, synchronous. Why C is correct? The keywords are collaborative, real-time, and quick exchange. Chat rooms or IM tools are synchronous, happening at the same time, which is ideal for spontaneous brainstorming and rapid, real-time communication. Why the wrong answers are wrong. A. Discussion forum. This is asynchronous, delayed replies, better for structured, reflective debate. B. Wiki. Best for collaborative content creation and editing, knowledge repository, not rapid-fire discussion. D. LMS. This is the platform that houses all the tools, not the specific tool itself. Edge knowledge. Differentiate the time frame. Real-time, synchronous, chat. If the goal is rapid, simultaneous exchange, choose the synchronous tool. Question number 7. What is the decimal equivalent of the binary number 1011 sub 2? A. 9. B. 11. C. 13. D. 15. Correct answer, B. 11. Why B is correct? To convert binary to decimal, multiply each binary digit by 2 raised to the power of its position, starting from 0 on the right. 1011 sub 2 equals 1 times 2 cube, plus 0 times 2 squared, plus 1 times 2 raised to 1, plus 1 times 2 raised to 0, equals 1 times 8, plus 0 times 4, plus 1 times 2, plus 1 times 1, equals 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals 11. Why the wrong answers are wrong. A. 9. Result of 1001 sub 2, or an error in calculation. C. 13. Result of 1101 sub 2, D. 15. Result of 1111 sub 2. Edge knowledge. Memorize the powers of 2, 8, 4, 2, 1. For 1011 sub 2, you only count the digits with a 1 in them. 8 plus 2 plus 1 equals 11. Question number 8. The ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create media in a variety of forms is the definition of A. Technical literacy. B. Media literacy. C. Information literacy. D. Digital citizenship. Correct answer. B. Media literacy. Why B is correct? Media literacy specifically encompasses the critical thinking skills needed to analyze, evaluate, and create content across various forms of media, traditional, digital, visual, audio, etc. Why the wrong answers are wrong? A. Technical literacy. Refers to the knowledge and ability to use specific hardware and software tools. C. Information literacy. Focuses specifically on the ability to find, evaluate, and use information effectively, primarily related to text data credibility. Media literacy is broader, including critique of format and persuasion. D. Digital citizenship. Refers to the norms of appropriate, responsible behavior concerning technology use. Edge knowledge. The key is create media in a variety of forms. Information literacy focuses on the credibility of data. Media literacy focuses on the format and construction of the message. Question number 9. In database management, which unique identifier is used to retrieve a specific record and ensures that each row in a table is distinctly identifiable? A. Foreign key. B. Index. C. Primary key. D. Field. Correct answer. C. Primary key. Why C is correct? A primary key is a unique and non-null column, or set of columns, in a table that is used to uniquely identify every row. It is the definitive record identifier. Why the wrong answers are wrong? A. Foreign key. A field that links one table to the primary key of another table, used for relationships. B. Index. Used to speed up data retrieval, but is not the unique identifier itself. D. Field. A single column in a table, e.g., name, which is not necessarily unique. Edge knowledge. Think unique identification. The word primary denotes the main, essential identifier for a table. Primary key. Unique record ID. Question number 10. Which model of cloud computing provides users with access to software applications running on the provider's infrastructure, e.g., Google Docs, Microsoft 365? A. Platform as a Service, PaaS. B. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. C. Software as a Service, SaaS. D. Everything as a Service, EaaS. Correct answer. C. Software as a Service, SaaS. Why C is correct? Software as a Service, SaaS, is the delivery model where the provider hosts and manages the software application, and users access it over the internet on a subscription basis, like using any web-based application. Why the wrong answers are wrong? A. PaaS provides a platform, operating systems, databases, for developers to build and deploy their own applications. B. IaaS provides basic infrastructure, virtual machines, storage, networks, for users to install and manage their own OS and software. D. EaaS, a broad, non-standard term sometimes used to encompass all cloud services. Edge knowledge. Think what you use. If you are using the software itself, finished product, over the web, it's SaaS. If you are using the tools to build the software, it's PaaS. If you are renting the bare computer parts, it's IaaS. If this video gave you an edge, sharpen that like button and subscribe to stay ahead.